Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I'm giving you demonstration how to create PayPal account, and it's very simple to create PayPal account and transfer money or submit any conference related payment transaction or some other country related transaction. You can easily transfer and pay some money. PayPal is an American company operates the worldwide for the online payment system that support online money transfer and services as an electronic alternative to traditional paper method like check and money orders. So how to create a PayPal account and add your credit card or debit card information and pay some money. So let's start at the demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Open your browser and then open Google and type here pay. And one more thing, PayPal applications are available on Android and iOS platform. You can search on your Play stores and iOS stores and download this PayPal application, and you can sign up via application or sign up via browser. Look at this. I'm purchasing something in supermarket like this way, and just I'm scanning this particular barcode and payment is done. It's simply an Indian like Paytm, and European country you can use this PayPal. No extra transaction money or debiting in your account. That one is the most advantage benefit of this PayPal application. Like send your money friend and family around the world. You can use this application, connect your account and transfer money any country. No extra hidden charges or they are considering. Get instant spend notification. You can transfer money fraction of second. Play touch like only scan and then okay, send the money like that way. So how do you create? So first here one options are comes sign up. I click here. Personal or business, your own organization, you go with that business. So now I am creating personal account here, and look at this here, country code is totally changed. So I select here, and where is India? I'm selecting like in African countries, African continent, American, Asia Pacific. So in Asia, India comes here, and then automatically 91 is come 9422. So and next, so I'm receiving one OTP. I'm receiving one OTP, and then I'm type here my email ID. So I'm type here my email ID, password, continue, India, my first name, accordingly my ID. Add your address here. Sure. City, Maharashtra 431001. Active on touch. Agree. So my PayPal account is to ready, and now I link my credit card here or debit card. You can add your credit card or debit card. I have to add my debit card number. So here is my PayPal account is ready, like Hi Sangram Singh. So now I want send money. So I click the same and send the payment to anyone, name, email address or mobile number, and just only next. Accordingly, request options are come, contact list is coming here, and some many more options are available here. It's very simple to create and send the money anyone. And then suppose my summary is visible here. I'm sending some money either my friend or rest of things. Add your photo. So I can add my photos also here. So my name, all detail are coming here. So it's very simple to make and create account. Like here I am uploading my photo. Accordingly I upload the photo here. Use this photo. So accordingly join now only. You can update your name, language, which time zones are you are living. So this is by default. Choose your own. Close your account, convert your account as a business, It's very simple. I create this account. Suppose for example, you can confirm your email address is confirm or not confirm. Accordingly, you can use this perspective of account, and rest of information are available here. You can visit there and read all information as a step by step, like here password change, 2 steps verification, auto login, permission you are given, security questions. You can add those questions, security questions, 2 steps, and secure your account also. Some payment instructions are there, notification instructions are there. You want to receive email or not, you want to receive text message or not. Some message are available here, like I want to receive email as well as text message also. So I am selecting message box and cell phone pictures also. So select tools like a business to bottom, website performance, instant payment, notification, and rest of informations are available here. You can manage some send and request. You can send the money directly, otherwise you can request someone please transfer money, like that way. Creating invoice also here. You want upgrade or you want create some invoice related to business account. Suppose for example, I pay some money in conference registration, but I want submit this registration fees receipt to my university or my office. So I can create here invoice and then print this invoice and submit my office. It's very simple and very helpful for the money transfer or transaction of paperless. So hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.